Today we have an exciting phone. We have the Blackview P10000 Pro, and I've been waiting for this to arrive for quite a while now, and I'm really excited to finally have my hands on this thing. So we're gonna get right to the unboxing. We have two stickers over here, so I'm just gonna take that off. So this has really good specs for the price. You can get this for around $200. It has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of onboard storage, and Helio P23, which is known as a good chip. And here we go. We have this beauty over here. Comes in this little tray, and it's got some. It's not as thick as I thought it was gonna be, but this actually feels really nice. I like phones that have a bit of, of heft to them. So we're gonna put that aside because we actually have a few interesting accessories. So we have, of course, the SIM ejection tool, a nice case, and this, I believe, you can hold on. You can charge other devices with this. I don't know, but it looks sort of warped, so I'm just gonna. I don't really mind. Put that aside. And we have a screen protector, but one is already installed, and a really big power brick. Oh, here it is. We don't have a headphone jack, and this is the first phone I bought that doesn't have a headphone jack. So we got the dongle over there. I don't really mind. I rarely use the headphone jack anyways. And some headphones, which I don't have much hopes for. And oh, this cable looks fancy. The port is green. Alright, let's put the accessories aside. Now let's peel off the back. And that is beautiful. That is made of glass. And this. And let's power it on. This phone feels really good in the hands for me. Like, I have pretty big hands, so of course, it's gonna feel good. So I'm gonna set this phone up and I'll be back with you. Alright, I have set it up to my liking. Now I'm installing PUBG so we can test it later. And the fingerprint sensor is pretty quick. It's out here on the side. As soon as you find it. And it even has face unlock. Hold on. Which is also pretty fast, so you can unlock this phone in pretty much any way you want. In all the convenient ways you want. So, oh, and keep in mind, this is not a durable phone. It's only this thick because of the big battery, which is 11,000 milliamp hours. Because the glass is back, so of course this isn't going to be durable. Alright, let's try knife fit. You can add a navigation menu as well. Let's make it louder. Oh. Alright, I think you got the idea more or less. It runs pretty well. Now the phone overall, it's very pleasant to use. We have Android 7.1, but we will get an update to Android 8 eventually. I don't know when, of course, but it's coming. Now, I've charged this phone to 100%. I've lost about 97. I did an update and installed a bunch of apps. So yeah, battery is pretty good. Now we're going to test the speaker, which is also said to be good. Alright, all these apps I'm booting them up just now, so that's why. Don't mind my recommended videos. I don't YouTube is broken. So, by the way, the screen quality is very good. It's an IPS LCD, and it's also really, and I really like it. So let's play this. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, I remember this. That's the loudest.
Please don't throw it all away. Where should I stay? I swear I'll never leave, I'll never stray. You never behave. I promise I'll never leave you for.
So as you can see, it gets pretty loud. It's not the highest quality in the world, but it's high quality enough, and I really don't have any complaints. Oh, and PUBG just finished downloading. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video because the loading times are always long. Alright, the game is open, so let's set it up. Okay, this is interesting. It set my graphics to medium, which I'm really shocked, because my Note 8 it sets to medium. This is a budget phone, and it's setting it to medium based on my device, which is a good sign. I don't think it's gonna run good in medium, to be honest, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Oh, yeah, I don't care about this stuff. Alright, let's start. Alright,
Hello?
it's lagging.
Hello?
Alright, let's turn off this guy. As you can see, it runs okay, no problems at all. And yeah, actually, it's not that bad at all. Like, I'm not gonna wait for the match to start. I don't have that much time. But as you can see, it's not bad at all. Like, if you turn the graphics down to the lowest, it's gonna run even better, which I don't even know how to do. So we're just gonna focus. We won't focus on that for now. Now we're gonna test the camera. First picture we're gonna take is me. So not that bad looking at all. Now I'm going to take some pictures outside. Alright, I am recording video on the Blackview P10000 Pro. Really sunny day on the rear facing camera. Alright, I am recording video on the front facing camera on the Blackview P10000 Pro. Pretty hot outside, sunny. Looking at the phone right now, I'd say it looks pretty good. Alright, I think I covered pretty much everything. The phone performs really well, cameras are decent, speakers quality is really good, even on the earpiece. And I just gotta say, I really like this phone. Like, I'm gonna be testing this until the battery is low, which is, I don't know how long that's gonna take, because it's a huge battery after all. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. Subscribe for more phone reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.